Crispy, golden, and you won't believe this is made from celeriac. Welcome to Simply Food Recipes. Let's start with our ingredients. First, we peel the skin from the celeriac. Then, we wash it well. Because we have a really big celeriac, we cut it in half first and then slice it into about 1 cm thick slices. If you have a smaller one, you can just cut it into slices. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil and add the celeriac slices. Cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes. We want them slightly softened but still firm enough to hold their shape. Once they are done, carefully take them out and place them on a cutting board. Let them cool down a little so you can handle them without burning your hands. Now it's time to add some flavor. First, we grate some garlic and rub it onto each slice of celeriac. If you prefer using lemon instead, just drizzle a little lemon juice over each slice. Once they are cool enough, we can start coating them. Crack the eggs into a bowl and whisk them until combined. Prepare the flour and breadcrumbs in separate bowls. I prefer using bowls instead of plates because everything stays very chewed and coating is much easier. First, coat each slice in flour until completely covered. Then gently shake off the extra. Next, dip the slice into the beaten eggs. Make sure every side is covered. Then let the extra egg drip off a little, but not too much because we still need the breadcrumbs to stick. Finally, coat it in breadcrumbs. Press the breadcrumbs gently onto the celeriac so they stick nicely. Repeat the same process with all the slices. Place the coated slices into hot oil. Make sure the oil is already heated so they fry nicely instead of absorbing too much oil. Leave a little space between each piece. Fry until golden brown on both sides. And our celeriac schnitzels are ready. We like to serve them with simple cucumber salad, garlic dip and buttery boiled potatoes topped with fresh green onion. You can also enjoy them with rice, fresh vegetable salad or any side dish you would normally serve with schnitzels. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and follow for more simple recipes from Simply Food Recipes.